In the prior video, what we did was we measured the length of this piece of paper using different measurement sticks, and we call that non-standard measure. Now the question comes, what happens if everybody used the same measurement? Obviously here, we did not use the same measurement for each of these, and we got different answers. Well, let's suppose that everybody is going to use the black Cuisenaire rods to measure. And in this case, it gets 4. There are 4 Cuisenaire rods which fit across the piece of paper. So we could say that this piece of paper is 4 black Cuisenaire rods. Also, if another group used the purple, they would get a different answer. They would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 purple rods that go across the paper. So now we have 2 things. Number 1, if a group uses the black Cuisenaire rods, they're going to get an answer of 4. And if another group uses the purple Cuisenaire rods, they're going to get an answer of 7. But the difference between what we did here and what we did at the beginning in the first video is that each group used the same standard. In other words, anybody using black Cuisenaire rods will get an answer of 4. Anybody using purple Cuisenaire rods will get an answer of 7. There will be no difference in answers if we use the same standard. And that's what we call standard measurement. Now, the idea with standard measurement is that everybody uses the same measurement. So in other words, if everybody in the class used black Cuisenaire rods, everybody in the class would get the length of this piece of paper to be 4 rods. If everybody in the class used purple Cuisenaire rods, everybody in the class would have the length of this piece of paper being 7 Cuisenaire rods. And that we call standard measurement.